Hey, it's Acoustic Paint. I'm Kathleen, and today I'm going to be unboxing a surprise squishy. So this squishy is from the same company I got my last one, Soft and Slow. So my last cat squishy, though it'll be a picture right here, after one day this happened. Elizabeth emailed the company and they said they would send me a jumbo one, and I'm pretty sure this is it. So we're gonna unbox this, and yeah. So I don't know which one it is. They said they would send a random one, so I'm guessing it would be one they're not selling very well. So I don't know which it could be. Alright, we have one final cut to do. Wow, this thing is really well bubble wrapped. I see something! Oh my god. Alright, so it came with a lot of this, I don't know why, this packed it really nicely, which is good. Making sure, yeah, there's nothing in here. Bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, this is the one I saw. It is so cute. Look at that. It is a lot bigger, here's my hand, than the other one. And the paint job is very, very nice. This thing is so cute. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's one of their jumbo squishies. I don't think it's scented at all, but we'll have to check. But yep, Soft and Slow. Okay, let's open it. Brought my scissors for this one. Alright. Oh my goodness, it is so soft. It is super, super soft. It is the cutest little thing ever. Look at that. Okay, let's squish it. And it is actually very slow rising. It's really, really nice. It's a lot nicer than my last one. It doesn't smell like anything, but the scent isn't as bad as the last one. One thing I noticed, which is just a little, I don't know, a little more weird, but I guess it would have to be like this with the big ones. When I squish it, hear the air coming out from like one area or something. I don't know, but it's okay. I'm actually really liking this little guy. You're so fun to squish. Yeah, just be sure to like this video and subscribe. Comment any names you have for these little guys down below. And yeah, have a fabulous day. Bye!